Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the new toll plazas being built for the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. So they are building two toll plazas at Tollgate. One will be on the highway, so if you're driving from Maypen to Mandeville, you pay toll and continue on the journey. The second one will be if you're exiting off the highway or entering the highway, then you pay toll at that toll plaza. So that's what you're looking at now is one of the ramps to exit off the highway and come off by Tollgate. Now this is the only additional toll plaza, the ones at Tollgate. So for the new leg of the highway from Maypen to Williamsfield, this is the only toll plaza you would use. If you're driving from Maypen to Mandeville, this plaza that you're looking at now is the one you would use, and it's the only toll plaza for this leg of the highway. Now, they are trying to keep the toll to below $500 to encourage people to use the highway. They haven't officially announced what the toll rate will be, but they are trying to keep it within that range. So if you're driving from Kingston to Mandeville now, you'll have one toll plaza at Vineyards, one at Maypen, and now this one at Tollgate. So you'll have three toll plazas. Now this plaza is still under construction, as you can see, but it's supposed to finish by the end of August, which is about 2 weeks from now. So we'll keep you guys updated, giving you weekly videos on this project. And as you can see, this is going to be like a major interchange right here at Tollgate. There you can see a very impressive road structure or road network. And then that's the second toll plaza. So that's the one you would use if you were getting on the highway here or if you were exiting. So you can drive from Mandeville to Tollgate and use this plaza and come off in Tollgate. Or you can go from Mandeville to Maypen and go through the other toll plaza and then exit in Maypen. This plaza is also under construction and should finish at the end of August also. And that's the office that they have built. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. We are going to drive on the highway and show you what the highway is going to look like. So we'll start at the toll plaza and head towards Mandeville or Melrose Hill bypass. But this is a very nice road, very impressive. Job well done by the government and the contractor China Harbour Engineering Company. Let us know what you think about this highway and the toll plaza. Very impressive. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember, we're going to give you weekly updates on this project, not only the toll plaza, but the entire road until it is opened at the end of August. Alright guys, have a good day.